Modern air conditioning units include safety switches in the condensate drain line to stop water overflow and prevent catastrophic water damage to ceilings and upper floors. Safety switches sit where condensate collects, and they interrupt power to the unit when water reaches a preset level, preventing continuous drainage into living spaces. Most common types are float switches and condensate overflow switches that use a small float or a conductive probe to detect high water. Test a float switch by pouring water into the drain pan until the float rises and the unit powers down. Then empty the pan and reset. Do this quarterly during cooling season. Keep the drain line clear by flushing with white vinegar or a cup of household bleach diluted in water to break down algae and biofilm that cause clogs. Use a wet vacuum at the outdoor condensate termination to pull debris if flushing does not restore flow. Position the drain line with a continuous downward slope and avoid traps that collect water. And when replacing a switch, choose one rated for your unit voltage and with a manual reset option if you need to run diagnostics. If your system uses a condensate pump for gravity-challenged installations, ensure the pump has its own float or safety switch and test both pump operation and the backup safety device. The most common issue is a clogged drain line, which causes water to back up and trip the safety switch. Clear the line with a vinegar flush or wet vacuum and check for collapsed tubing, then retest the switch. Another frequent problem is a stuck or dirty float switch that fails to reset or trips prematurely. Clean the float and housing, verify freedom of movement, and if it still sticks, replace the switch. Third, improper installation or lack of slope leads to standing water and repeated trips. Reroute or shorten the line to establish consistent downward pitch and add or service a condensate pump for units above the drain location. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for AC and water mitigation work, and it helps contractors find leads and grow their businesses. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common system protection concerns together.